Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In this episode, I'm going to make a Mediterranean dish called Baba Ganoush. Baba Ganoush is a dip made using baked eggplants, somewhat similar to baingan ka bharta. This tastes best when the eggplant is roasted on gas stove. But right now I don't have it, so we are going to bake it. Let's begin with the recipe. Take an eggplant and poke using a fork. Wrap it in aluminium foil. And then bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes and then allow it to cook. Let's check it. It's cooked nicely. Now cut it into halves. And then using a spoon, scoop out the inside part. I'm going to remove some of the seeds, don't remove all. Now using a knife, let's chop. Chop it until it's almost like mashed. And then put it in a bowl. Now time to add rest of the ingredients. Make sure you chop your tomatoes, onions and peppers very fine. Add the tomatoes, capsicum, onions, parsley, some black pepper, salt to taste, juice of 1 lemon and some minced garlic. Give it a good mix and it's ready. This is so fresh, delicious and smells amazing. Let's plate it. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. For garnish, I'll add some tomatoes and olive. Don't forget your pita bread as it tastes fantastic with the Baba Ganoush. I hope you like this recipe. Stay tuned as more Lebanese food is on the way. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.